Welcome to our exploration of one of the most intelligent and charismatic species on our planet, the orangutan. These captivating creatures, with their soulful eyes and gentle demeanors, inhabit the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia. It's within this verdant wilderness that the orangutan plays an integral role as a guardian of the forest. The name orangutan itself is derived from the Malay and Indonesian words orang, meaning person, and hutan, meaning forest. This person of the forest, as it's often called, certainly lives up to its name with its remarkable intelligence and striking similarities to humans. Orangutans are indeed a spectacle to behold. They are the largest arboreal or tree-dwelling mammals in the world. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the trees, a life they spend swinging from branch to branch in search of food and shelter. Their arms stretch out longer than their bodies, reaching up to 8 feet from fingertip to fingertip in mature adults. These long arms, coupled with their powerful hands and feet, make them incredibly agile climbers. But it's not all about physical prowess. Orangutans also boast a unique set of characteristics that set them apart. From their distinctive red-orange fur that camouflages perfectly against the backdrop of the rainforest to their ability to fashion tools from branches and leaves, orangutans are truly a testament to nature's ingenuity. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, particularly durians and figs, but they are also known to munch on leaves, bark, insects, and even bird eggs. This varied diet helps keep the rainforest ecosystem in balance, earning orangutans their revered title as gardeners of the forest. But the orangutan's life is not just about foraging and swinging through trees. There's a softer side to these gentle giants. Orangutans are known for their strong maternal bonds, with mothers caring for their young for up to 8 years, teaching them essential survival skills such as foraging and nest building. Their long arms and powerful hands make them incredibly agile climbers, allowing them to navigate the dense jungle with ease. And so, our journey into the world of orangutans begins, into the heart of the rainforest they call home. Let's delve deeper into their fascinating lives and discover just why these creatures are so captivating. With their soulful eyes and thoughtful expressions, orangutans possess a remarkable intelligence that rivals that of great apes. These enigmatic creatures of the forest canopy display a level of intellect and ingenuity that truly sets them apart. In the wild, orangutans are known for their impressive tool use. They've been observed using sticks to extract honey from beehives and leaves as gloves or napkins to handle prickly fruits. This not only demonstrates their problem-solving abilities, but also their ability to manipulate their environment to their advantage. But their intelligence isn't just limited to physical tasks. Orangutans are also emotional beings with the capacity to learn and remember. They have been seen mimicking human actions, a behavior that suggests a level of self-awareness and understanding of others. This mimicry, or imitation, is a fundamental aspect of learning and socialization in many species, humans included. Their communication methods, too, are complex and nuanced. Orangutans use a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language to communicate with one another. From long calls that echo through the forest, signaling their presence to others, to gentle grunts and gestures used in close contact, their language is as rich and varied as our own. In captivity, their cognitive abilities continue to astonish us. Orangutans have been taught sign language, demonstrating their capacity to understand abstract concepts. They've shown abilities to remember the past, plan for the future, and even exhibit empathy, traits once thought unique to humans. Despite their generally solitary nature, orangutans display a level of social intelligence that's quite profound. Mother orangutans, in particular, have a close bond with their offspring, teaching them essential survival skills over several years. This long-term investment in their young is a testament to their cognitive capabilities and their deep social bonds. They are known to use tools, solve problems, and even communicate through a complex system of vocalizations and gestures. In understanding the intelligence of these remarkable creatures, we gain not only a deeper appreciation for orangutans, but also a greater insight into the rich tapestry of life that exists within our world's rainforests. Despite their solitary nature, orangutans exhibit strong maternal bonds. This might come as a surprise, considering that these remarkable creatures are often seen as lone rangers in the dense jungles of Southeast Asia. But let's delve a little deeper into the social structure of orangutans to better understand their community dynamics. Unlike other primates who live in large social groups, orangutans are semi-solitary creatures. Adult males live a largely solitary life, traveling through the forest in search of fruiting trees. They mark their territories with long calls that resonate through the dense forest, signaling their presence to females and warning off potential male rivals. Now, when it comes to the females, the story changes a bit. Female orangutans are certainly more sociable than their male counterparts, forming loose groups based around their offspring. This is where the strong maternal bonds come into play. A mother orangutan is the very heart of her little family, providing not just nourishment, but also a comprehensive education to her young ones. The bond between a mother orangutan and her offspring is a sight to behold. A newborn orangutan is completely dependent on its mother for the first 2 years of its life, clinging to her belly as she swings through the treetops. As they grow older, young orangutans continue to stay with their mothers, learning the ropes of jungle life. And what's fascinating is the extent of this mother-child relationship. Orangutan mothers have the longest known interval of any animal between births, typically producing a single offspring every 7 to 8 years. This long interval allows the mother to invest significant time and energy into each offspring, teaching them essential survival skills, such as foraging and nest building. These skills are crucial for survival in the forest, as finding food and building secure nests are the keys to an orangutan's existence. Without these skills, an orangutan would struggle to survive in the challenging environment of the rainforest. Mothers care for their offspring for up to 8 years, teaching them essential survival skills such as foraging and nest building. This commitment to their young is a testament to the strength and resilience of these wonderful creatures, highlighting their complex yet loving social structure. Tragically, orangutans are facing unprecedented challenges due to deforestation, habitat loss, and illegal hunting. These gentle giants, the epitome of intelligence and charm in the animal kingdom, are now on the verge of disappearing forever. The primary threat to these arboreal dwellers is deforestation, a result of rampant industrialization and urbanization. Huge swaths of lush green forests, the orangutan's natural habitat, are being cleared to make way for palm oil plantations and other agricultural developments. As the trees fall, the orangutans lose their homes, their food sources, and their safe havens. Habitat loss isn't the only peril these creatures face. Illegal hunting also poses a significant threat. Despite protective laws, orangutans are hunted for their meat or captured to be sold in the illegal pet trade. Young orangutans are particularly vulnerable, often falling prey to hunters after their mothers are killed. The impact of these threats on orangutan populations is devastating. Over the past 6 decades, the orangutan population has declined by more than half. Today, fewer than 100,000 Bornean orangutans and a mere 7,500 Sumatran orangutans are estimated to be left in the wild. These numbers are more than statistics. They represent a stark reality for these intelligent beings. Each orangutan that is lost signifies the fading of a piece of our planet's rich biodiversity. Their decline echoes a broader crisis, the destruction of our world's precious ecosystems. The loss of orangutans also has profound implications for the health of our forests. As seed dispersers, orangutans play a crucial role in maintaining the diversity of tropical rainforests. Their disappearance could disrupt these ecosystems, leading to a cascade of unforeseen consequences. As their forest homes disappear at an alarming rate, orangutans are pushed to the brink of extinction. The symphony of the rainforest, once filled with the rustling of leaves as orangutans swung from tree to tree, is now punctuated by the ominous silence of their absence. The fate of the orangutan is a stark reminder of the urgency and importance of conservation. Fortunately, dedicated conservationists and organizations are working tirelessly to protect orangutans and their habitats. These unsung heroes often go unseen, working behind the scenes to ensure the survival of these gentle giants. At the forefront of these efforts are rescue and rehabilitation centers. These sanctuaries provide a safe haven for orangutans orphaned or displaced by deforestation and illegal hunting. Here, they learn critical survival skills before being reintroduced back into the wild, a second chance at life in their natural habitat. Moreover, conservation isn't just about the immediate care of these primates. It's also about securing their future. This is where community education steps in. Local communities are educated about the importance of the orangutan's role in maintaining the health and balance of the ecosystem. They're taught how preserving the forest and its inhabitants directly benefits their own livelihoods. By fostering a sense of stewardship, we can make protecting the forest a community effort. But of course, orangutans need a home to return to. This is why forest restoration projects are an integral part of conservation efforts. Thousands of hectares of land have been replanted with native trees, creating new safe havens for orangutans and countless other species. It's a labor of love, with each sapling planted signifying hope for the future. From rescue and rehabilitation to community education and forest restoration, these efforts offer hope for the future of this iconic species. It's a monumental task, and the battle is far from over. But every effort counts, and with continued dedication, we can ensure that orangutans continue to swing through the treetops for generations to come. As we reflect on the beauty and importance of orangutans in our world, let us remember our shared responsibility to safeguard their future. We all have a part to play. Even the smallest actions can make a big difference. So let's stand together, for the guardians of the forest, for the orangutans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating wildlife content. Until next time, stay wild.